Okay, this blog post has very little content. It's mostly about describing an exercise, which I hope many of you will contribute to and contribute to creating our collective thinking around character education. Here we're thinking about theological roots. I'll write more about this myself elsewhere, but here is a chance for us actually to think about this together. One of the key thinking processes as we think about the advent and the roots of character education is to think about this theologically. Can we root and ground character education in theology, in theological thinking? Can we theologize on character education, on the development of virtues in humans? If so, how? So that's the point of this exercise. Please use the comment box below. And I'm guessing that most of you following this blog will be theologians, and you're probably coming from a specific branch of theology. You're maybe a systematic theologian, a biblical scholar, maybe you're a practical theologian. Could I ask you to take your discipline and think about it through that lens? So if you're a systematic theologian, where would you find grounding for character education in theological fields? Theological anthropology, creation narratives, redemption. What categories theologically would you think of, and how would those create some theological roots and grounding for character education? Or biblical scholars, how would you make an argument for character education in the Bible, in the Old Testament, and maybe in Deuteronomy, in the law, or in New Testament leadership styles? Or in the ministry and teaching of Jesus? What would character education? How would you ground roots in your particular discipline? And practical theologians, what would we see as vital links between character and applied theology? So, for example, in homiletics, what might character education have to do with homiletics or other practical disciplines? So, little talking from me in this particular post, hopefully a lot of writing from you that are following. I look forward to engaging with you further in the comments and discussion box below.